Good afternoon. Microsoft recently secretly released a new Defender update for Windows installation images that applies to Windows Image Format and VHD, which is your virtual hard disk format for both Windows 11 and 10, and servers. In this new update, including Server 2016, which is reaching the end of service next year, and as such, the company released a detailed uninstallation and decommissioning guide. The update package is necessary as a Windows installation image may contain old, outdated, and malware definitions and software binaries. Aside from better security, these updates can also provide improved performance benefits in some cases. To make sure your system received these updates, please do the following. Start by opening up Settings, and you can do that in one of two different ways. You can just go to your Start menu and select Settings, or you can do the shortcut key of the Windows key and I for information. Either one will open up your Settings menu. Once you are in the Settings menu, select Privacy and Security. Once that opens up, select Windows Security. Next, we want to select Virus and Threat Protection. Once this opens, scroll down, pretty much down toward the bottom. You'll next find something that says Protection Updates. Select it, and last but not least, click the button or the selection that says Check for Updates. Give it a second to finish. You've now been told that security intelligence is up to date. You now know that all updates to your security have been applied. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and listening.